In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently delete a task from your Google Calendar. This process is both simple and quick, letting you keep your schedule organized and up to date. So let's jump right in to see how you can manage your calendar tasks with ease. First things first, you'll want to head over to Google. Once there, look towards the top right corner of your screen where you'll typically find the Google Apps icon. This icon resembles a grid, and it's the doorway to all the various Google services that are available to you, including Google Calendar. Click on this icon to bring up a menu of the different apps. With the Google Apps menu now open, locate and click on Calendar. It should be listed among the other services like Gmail and Google Drive. This action will take you directly to your Google Calendar, where you can view your schedule, upcoming events, and importantly, any tasks you have set up. Now that you're in your calendar, take a moment to find the pending task you wish to remove. Your tasks might be displayed in various views like day, week, or month, so ensure you're in the correct view for easier navigation. Simply click on the task that you want to delete. This will open a small window or pop-up displaying more details about that particular task, including the option to remove it. Once the task window is open, you'd want to keep an eye out for the trash icon. This icon often appears as a small trash can and is usually located at the top or bottom of the task details window. Clicking this icon will prompt you to confirm that you wish to delete the task. It's essentially a safeguard to prevent accidental deletions. If you're certain about removing the task, confirm the deletion when prompted, and there you have it. After clicking the trash icon and confirming your choice, the task will be erased from your calendar, leaving your schedule looking neat and organized. This method ensures that you maintain control over your tasks and appointments, avoiding any potential clutter on your calendar. Taking the time to clean up your schedule can greatly improve your productivity and help you stay on top of your commitments. That's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you can now confidently manage your Google Calendar by deleting tasks whenever you need to. Make it a habit to review and update your calendar regularly, and you'll find it becomes an invaluable tool for managing your time effectively. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.